Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Zorin OS 18.0 on VMWare Workstation. Okay, first go to Zorin OS official website, that is zorin.com. See here, the latest release is 18. Click on Zorin OS, then see here download Zorin OS or download, both are same. See here we have the Zorin OS 18 Pro edition and Core and Educational editions. In this educational edition, with educational software for schools and students. In this video, I am going to download and install Zorin OS Core, but the installation process for Core and Education is same. So click on Download, then click on Skip Download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. See, its size is about 3.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have Zorin OS IS image. Now open VMWare Workstation. Click on Create a new virtual machine or go to File and select New Virtual Machine. Both are same. Now select the installer disk image file, then select Browse. Then go to Downloads, then select Zorin OS IS image. Then click on Open. Click on Next. Now select the Linux and version as Ubuntu 64-bit, then click on Next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Zorin OS Zorin 18 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on Next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on Next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to change any one of them, you have to click on Customize Hardware. Then click on Finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings or right click and select Settings. If you want to provide description, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on Power on this virtual machine. See here we have the try or install Zorin OS, Zorin OS Safe Graphics, Zorin OS Modern NVIDIA drivers. Okay, whatever you want you can select. In this video I am going to select try or install Zorin OS and hit enter. Now select the language and also see here we have the try Zorin OS and install Zorin OS. Try Zorin OS is just like testing purpose or live environment. But if you want to install permanently, click on Install Zorin OS. Keyboard layout, select language and click on Continue. If you want to download updates while installing Zorin OS, you have to select the checkbox. And if you want to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media format, you have to select the checkbox. And if you don't want to participate in census, you have to select this one. Then click on Continue. Installation type, see this is the fresh installation, so I am going to select erase disk and install Zorin OS. Then click on Install. This is confirmation, click on Continue. Now select the location or time zone from the globe, or you can search here. Okay, like you can select on the globe. Then click on Continue. Now create or set up user. This is user full name. This is computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. This is username. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then if you have Active Directory, select the checkbox. If you don't have, unselect it and click on Continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. So, see, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is complete. Click on restart now. See the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Then right click on the virtual machine, then go to settings. Then go to CD DVD. In device status, unselect both the check boxes. Then click on OK. Then come to here and hit enter to restart the virtual machine. Click on username and provide the password. Welcome to Zorin OS. No thanks. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Now verify the version more /etc OS-release. See, we have installed Zorin OS 18 and its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and its Ubuntu core name is Noble. Noble means Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, Control A. Now I verify IP of this machine. ifconfig. See, ifconfig not found, but we can get the IP address by running ipaddr. See, this is the IP of the machine, or you can install this nettools for this ifconfig. Sudo apt install net-tools. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Now run ifconfig. See, we got the same. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to Zorin OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update upset sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation. Hit enter. Unlike in other OS versions, the default web browser is Brave in Zorin OS. Go to applications. See, here we have different applications. Show all apps. See, here we have these default applications. Okay, this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Zorin OS 18 version on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.